Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to add bokeh effect in Photoshop. We've all seen the buttery smooth looking bokeh photos. Unfortunately, we don't always have equipment capable of such bokeh. Let's take a look at how to achieve the same effect in Photoshop. For this effect, the image that you choose to add this effect on matters quite a lot. Make a selection of your image background where the bokeh will be applied. Now go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Fill Blur. Here you have two main controls to tweak: Blur Amount and Light Bokeh. Light Bokeh will control how visible the circles will be. Blur Amount controls overall blur and size of the circles. When done, click OK. That's it. It's a great way to enhance the look of your photography. What device do you use to take photos? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.